Good morning, class 6. Yesterday we studied about properties of multiplication over whole numbers. In that topic, we studied several properties. One of the properties was distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Okay, some of you did not understand this topic. Clear? I am going to explain it again here. See, I'll first go for addition. Here we have both the signs, addition and subtraction. First we'll go for addition. The rule says a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, where a, b, c are what? All of them are whole numbers. Okay, now a into b plus c, that means what does the understand the rule, beta? B plus c are the numbers that are in bracket and they are added. Clear? And when we multiply a number to the sum of b and c, okay, अगर हम b प्लस c में एक नंबर ऐड करेंगे ब्रैकेट के बाहर से, तो वो b और c में दोनों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है. डू यू सी हियर? a इंटू बी प्लस सी है, तो b प्लस सी जो ब्रैकेट में है, व्हाट हैपन्स देन? इट बिकम्स a इंटू बी, a गेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड टू b प्लस a गेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड टू c. a, b और c दोनों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है. इट गेट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन अमंग b एंड c बोथ. The plus sign, the positive sign, the addition sign remains the same. Do you see? Let us check it for three numbers. Let a be equal to 2, b equal to 1, c is equal to 3. So let us solve LHS. LHS में क्या है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या है? a इंटू बी प्लस सी. ओके, तो हम लोग पहले इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को खाली, इसको नहीं करना है अभी. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में a इंटू बी प्लस सी. ओके, सो a इज़ वॉट? 2. 2 इंटू b इज़ 1 and c is 3. 2 into 1 plus 3. What does BODMAS say? What will you do first? We will first solve the bracket. Okay, so this becomes 2 into 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, and 2 4s are 8. Clear? We have used BODMAS here. Okay, so left hand side, when we solve left hand side using BODMAS, we get the answer as 8. Okay, now we will solve the right hand side. Right hand side says a into b plus a into c. So a into b plus a into c. Okay, so a is what? 2. 2 into b is 1. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3. a is 2, c is 3. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 1 is, again you will use BODMAS. We do not have any bracket here, but we have two signs, multiplication and addition. So what will we do? We will multiply first. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 plus 2 3s are 6, and 2 plus 6 is again 8. So what do you understand? Left hand side is equal to right hand side because both the answers are same. Okay, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3. अब देख रहे हो, 2 जो है पहले 1 से डिवाइड हुआ, फिर 3 से, अरे 2 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, एंड एडिशन साइन रिमेन्स द same. So do you see 2 is distributed over 1 and 3, है ना? प्लस साइन के साथ में ये 2 दोनों नंबर्स के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया है, दोनों नंबर के साथ वो जुड़ गया है, करेक्ट। सो ये पहला रूल समझ में आया, a इंटू बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी. What is this? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, now we will see for subtraction. Again the same way, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. यहाँ पे माइनस हो रहा है अभी, so a will be distributed among both these numbers. Okay, a will multiply with b also, a will multiply with c also, and the subtraction sign will remain the same. Okay, again we will take example. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 1. So what is left hand side? A into b plus c. A is 2, so 2 into b minus c, b minus c, b is 3 minus c is 1. Okay, to solve this we will use BODMAS. First we will solve the bracket. So 2 into 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, now 2 into 2 is 4. So what is the left hand side after solving? We get 4. Now we will solve the right hand side. The right hand side is a into b minus a into c. So right hand side में a is 2, a into 3, b is 3 minus a into c, 2 into 1. Now we will again use BODMAS to solve this. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 1s are 2. Now 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So you see in both the cases the answer is same. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it means 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1. है ना, 2 is getting distributed among 3 and 1. Okay, if we use general term for this, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. This is true for all the whole numbers without exception. Clear? What, and this is called distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, this was distributive property of multiplication over addition, and this one is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. I hope you understand now. If you have a problem, you can ask me again.